There are patterns everywhere. He said, if I would be able to see the grains of sand, I would have discovered patterns here also. The entire world is bound with different kind of patterns. Even our body being ruled by pattern. If you measure your arm distance and the entire body, you will find that it is 1.6. The distance between the planets of the solar system is 1.6 into. That means even your DNA, the distance between the two fragments of the DNA molecule is governed by 1.6. That is termed as a golden ratio number. So the world is being governed by mathematics. This day, let's take mathematics as a passion. This day, let's promise that we'll try to implement mathematics not only to our books, formulas, notebooks, but also to our day-to-day life. Mathematics helps you to give that logic. Mathematics helps you to give that reasoning, which makes your life much, much easier. And taking inspiration from Ramanujan, let's move ahead. Let's see the life in different ways. So once again, wishing you a very happy Mathematics Day. Happy Mathematics Day. Keep on growing, keep on moving. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir. It was really informative. Now, I would like to invite Tathagat to give a speech on Srinivasan Ramanujan.
Good morning, everyone. I am Srinivas Ramanujan. I was born on Erode, Tamil Nadu in 22nd December 1987. I am a gifted mathematician. I was K. Srinivas, who was a clerk in a shop. I had almost no formal education, but then also in my school life, at a very young age, I could solve college questions. At the age of 13, I learned advanced trigonometry. At the age of 32, I found 3,900 equations of math. In 1918, I was elected as a fellow of the Royal Society. I researched properties of Bernoulli numbers and partition of whole numbers. But actually, Devi Namgiri came to my dreams and she told me all the formulas. One Hollywood movie named The Man Who Knew Infinity is based on my life. One famous saying is, an equation means nothing to me unless it expresses a thought of God. National Mathematics Day is celebrated every year on my birthday. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tathagat. You were fabulous. Guys, do you know who is the father of the Indian mathematics? Yes, it's Aryabhat. So now, I would like to invite Daksh to say a few words about Aryabhat.
Can you guess me? Who I am?
I think Aryabhat you are.
I am Aryabhat. Today I am going to tell you about me. I am a great Indian mathematician and astronomer. I was born in Patna, Bihar. I have immense knowledge in the field of mathematics. I gave the modern teachers, for which he became the immortal and discovered the algebraic identities, the value of pi chart, etc. Moreover, I have discovered the earth rotates on its own axis and revolves the moon on the earth. Also discovered the position of the planets that revolves around the sun. And I started the correct number. There are 365 days, 6 hours, 12 minutes, and 30 seconds, which varies only with 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Over in modern day value. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Daksh. It was commendable. Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Principal Ma'am as the chief. Now, I would like to invite Kshitiz of Class 4 to explain us about fraction.
Good morning, everybody. So today I am going to explain some types of fractions which were modern. So here's an apple and this is whole number.
And I'm going to cut it into both of them. We will get the whole 2 by 2, means we will get the whole number again. And I will also explain more about fraction, that how to make it 1 by 4. To make it 1 by 4, we have to cut it 2 times, one vertically and one horizontally. And if we will cut it, we will get 4 parts of an apple. And these all are 1 by 4. And if we will again join all of them, we will get the whole number again. So by this method, we can get number of examples in our day-to-day life to represent the fraction. Thank you.
That was excellent, Kshitij. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. With this quote, I would like to invite Virat of class 1 for a wonderful dance performance.
Good morning, everyone. I am Virat Maurya. Today is Mathematics Day. I am performing on Mathematics Day. Mathematics is simple.
Thank you, Virat. Your movements captured the essence of the music. Now, I would like to invite Amrit Jha of class 2B to recite a poem.
Good morning, everyone. I am Amrita of class 2B. Do you know which is the queen of sciences? It is mathematics. On this Mathematics Day, I sing a song for all of you. Math is magic, math is magic. Learning math is fun, learning math is fun. Math is queen of sciences, math is queen of sciences. Math is always true. Math is always true. Addition and subtraction, addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division, multiplication and division. They are interesting topics. topics. Math is very interesting. Math is very exciting. Math is very interesting. Math is very exciting. I love math. Let's learn with joy. I love math. Let's learn with joy. Thank you.
Thank you, Amrit. It was fabulous. Now, I would like to invite Archit of Class 5 to give a brief explanation about 3D shapes.
Good morning, one and all present here. I am Chidan of Class 5C is going to explain three-dimensional shapes. Now, what are three-dimensional shapes? So, three-dimensional shapes are solid figures which are having length, breadth, and height. We can touch or hold them in our hand. Before seeing some three-dimensional shapes, we have to understand what are faces, vertices, and edges. Faces. The flat surface is known as faces. Edges. The line segments joining two vertices is called edges. Vertices. The corners are said to be vertices. The plural of vertex is vertices. Let's start with cuboid. Cuboid. A cuboid is having 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can see here a line segment is joining two corners. Can anyone guess what is this called? Yes, it is edges. A cuboid is having 12 edges and 8 vertices. Some examples of cuboid are boxes, pencil box, gifts, etc. Now, see, I am having a ball. Can anyone guess it is in which shape? Yes, it is in spherical shape. Can anyone see if this sphere is having any corner? No, a sphere does not have any vertex or any edge. It is having only one face, that is curved face. See, cube and cuboid are almost same because they have same faces, same vertices, and same edge. But the only difference is this: cuboid
Helps us in our day-to-day life.
Good morning, everyone. 5C wants to give a speech why maths is important in our day-to-day life. Problem solving is one of the most important factors in our life. Maths is one of the most effective ways to increase our analytical thinking. As I mentioned earlier, it also helps us to improve our logical thinking.
That was not taught to present and enact about some shape. So let's
tell me, who am I? Well, I have 4 corners, something like me. Just small squares. You like four big squares and many small squares. It looks like it's a 100 number. Carom board है
you, Arish. It was fantastic. Now, I would like to call Shan Shekhar of class 1A.
Good morning, everyone. I am Shyam. This is my house. I have made this house with the help of shapes like triangle, square, rectangle, and circle. My cap looks like cone. Happy Mathematics Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Shansh. It was commendable.
Shreyans, turn off your video. Akshay, continue, beta.
Ma'am, actually my poem.
Yes. Now, Akshay Ambassador will recite a poem for us. So, Akshay, please continue.
Poem on mathematics. Mathematics is full of there's so much to learn. Of its added while losses are subtracted. Degrees are multiplied. Percentage divided. Of mystery. Algebra is teachers are different as brothers. Lines as and that is difficult to survive. Thank you. Now I would like to write Ajay written us about Mathematics Day.
Yes, sir.
What happened?
So, it's time to speak, sir. The student has invited you.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Hello.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you're audible.
The interest in mathematics, how to create. Dear students, as you know, everybody watches movies, and how easily we remember the story of that movie or the dance steps, the songs, lyrics, how easily we remember. What is the reason behind it? The reason is that we have interest in that point. When you have interest, it means you understand these things very easily. Secondly, what you do, you
I don't have to
apply these
speak,
things
Ravi.
to your life.
I am there. I'm seeing
When you
it.
see movie, either you dance or song, what happens? You sing the song, or either you apply the steps of the dance in your life. The meaning is that whenever you have a great focus on something, definitely that object, that concept will come to you. Therefore, we should always get ready to accept these things, and improvement in mathematics will improve yourself. Okay. Therefore, we should study mathematics in such a manner we are going to construct new building on the old construction. I hope you would be doing better in mathematics. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Now, I would like to invite. Hello. Now, I'd like to invite my principal, ma'am. Ma'am, please address us.
Thank you. I would like to address my children. It's really nice to be amongst you all on such an important day, which is the Ramanujan Day. And mathematics is one of the subjects of which I have been really very afraid while growing up. And it is thought that mathematics is a male fiefdom and female are deprived of this subject because it's very, very tough, very rational, and it requires a lot of insight, lot of intelligence. And I do believe that it requires a lot of intelligence, and to be a mathematician, one has to be very, very intelligent. But as far as arithmetic is concerned, arithmetic is in our day-to-day life. When we are growing up, we go to the market, we see local vendors those small children selling sabji, selling vegetables, selling fruits, they all are very good at mathematics. They are very good at mathematical calculations. And it is because of the usage and interest in that subject. So if we all acquire that ability to interact on arithmetical terms in our day-to-day life, I think the subject would start becoming very, very interesting. And mathematics is one of the subjects without which you cannot have your day-to-day existence in life, because all of the business is based on mathematical calculations, whether it is statistical calculations, whether it is compound interest, whether it is simple interest, whether it is building up your day-to-day business, all requires mathematics, all requires mathematics. So you have to be good at it, and the earlier you acquire the ability for it and you build up your concepts, the better it is, because that would help you later on in your life. As we get all inspiration from the life of Ramanujanji, that it is all the ability which you develop by building up your intellect inside, by building up your seriousness inside. And so we all have to see to it that our concepts are getting clearer as early as possible. And for this, we have a very good team of teachers in our BSBS, and they would be helping you all around in building up your mathematical skills. So my blessings to all my children, and I wish that they grow up to be good mathematicians. They have good insight, good knowledge into it. And mathematics is still considered a very, very tough subject, because we see that even in UPSC, taking mathematics and clearing UPSC with mathematics is very difficult. I think as far as my knowledge of it goes, in 10 to 15 years, very, very few candidates, or just one candidate, has cleared UPSC through mathematics. So we see how difficult it is. But then it is of a day-to-day usage, and I'm not disheartening my students by saying that they should not take this subject, because they have to have an inner knowledge of the subject for their day-to-day existence, day-to-day life, and their calculations would help them in building up their life in a better way. I remember when we were holding one of the exhibitions, there was one of the games where there was a 64 square, and 1 rupee multiplied by 64 squares, when it turned out, it came out to be infinite. So this is what is our balance sheet, our day-to-day increasing of our money all about. So we have to be very good at mathematics, and I think knowledge of this subject should be acquired to the minimum by all my students. So this day should act as a foundation day for building up a strong mathematical background in all my students. Good wishes, all the best for a happy new year and Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us. Now,
Vimal sir, again.
okay, ma'am. Let us now welcome the man who doesn't need any introduction and known among all of us for his wisdom and his knowledge. So, I would like to invite Biman sir to give vote of thanks.
Thank you. Am I audible, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Akshay. Thank you, Akshay. Thank you, Paul ma'am, for the
My pleasure.
invitation. Good morning to all of you here, all teachers, all students, those who are present here, and wish you all the best for the happy math day today. And on behalf of the Bishop Scott Boys School, I convey my heartiest thanks to all the participants as well, all the teachers who are present in the function today. I thank all of you for giving your time and enjoying the day with the proper manner. And acknowledge Ajay sir and Parul ma'am, K. Manisha ma'am, and the math faculties, those who have taken the pain to conduct this program. And I convey my sincere thanks to Principal ma'am as well as Vice Principal sir for their arrangements and their thoughts of conducting such a beautiful program. On behalf of all, I convey my best wishes to all of you. And you know that math is a part and parcel of everybody's life. Many are weak. Mostly persons get weak in math. That is the main subject that people lag behind. The main problem is that you have to carry math in class 10. It is a compulsory subject and you have to bear with it. And once you get interest in the subject, take interest in the subject, you know that subject is also interesting. don't take it. If you're taking a dislike for the subject from the very beginning, automatically your marks will get less and you will be disinterested in the subject. So from the very beginning and the bases are done well, keep the basis clear, and that will help you from the lower class. So those are students from the lower class, try to be there in the lower class. From the lower class, take the interest in the subject, and it will be helpful for all of you in the future also. Because when you go for the 10th board examination, you have to get good marks in maths also. You cannot avoid maths. You say that I'll score good marks in all the subjects and avoid math subject is not what likely. So you have to score good marks in maths in order to get a better percentage out of 90 and 95%. You have to get good marks in maths also. So I will request all of you to take interest in the subject and go forward with it. From after 10th, you can choose your own interest, but after 10th, you have to bear with it. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words.
To me and Mark.